As I'm writing the problem down, I like try to digest it when I'm writing. So far I've written 5 minus and I've opened a parenthesis. So later on, I don't know when, but I'm going to distribute a negative to whatever is inside of here, as long as what's inside is completely simplified. So let me keep going. 4x plus 3, close up the parentheses, less than or equal to, I'm going to have a flat bracket somewhere, 1/2 times, because open the parenthesis, 2x minus 6. Now I'm going to go ahead and be able to distribute, because the inside of these parentheses, I can't combine like terms. So 5 doesn't change yet. A negative gets distributed, so negative 4x less than or equal to, I say 1/2 times 2. Do it in the calculator if you need to. 1/2 is 1 divided by 2 in parentheses times 2. Or you could say 0.5 times 2, that's just 1. So 1x. 1/2 times 6 is negative 3. Okay, now before we start moving things over and eliminating things, again, I want to make sure each side is completely simplified. Are all like are parentheses gone? Yes. Are all like terms combined? Well, let me look. X minus 3 can't combine that. But 5 minus 4x minus 3, this 5 and this negative 3, they can combine. So 5 minus 3, you don't change signs or anything. 5 minus 3 is 2 less than or equal to x minus 3. So now each side is simplified. I'm ready to move things over. I like putting my variable on the left side, so that means I'm going to eliminate it from the right side. You don't have to do it. That's the way I like to do it. So that would be 2 minus 5x less than or equal to negative 3. Well, I like the variable on the left. That's all I want on the left, meaning this right here needs to go. So that's what? That's negative 5. Negative 5x. A lot of people forget to bring this negative down right here. Don't forget that, okay? So we need x. Right now we have negative 5x. I don't want that. So you divide by that, because that's what you don't want. So you divide by that negative. Negative 5 divided by 5 is 1, and negative 5x divided by 5 is negative 5 is x. But when you divide by negative, you have to flip that symbol. So the answer is x is greater than or equal to 1. Now, if you're doing set builder notation, you got to hit the key, and it's gonna do that little thing, and you'll have to maybe type in an x. It'll have the such that key. You'll put x is greater than or equal to 1. That's set builder. And interval, before I write the interval, I like to know what my graph looks like. So I put a tick mark at 1. If x is greater than 1, it's on this side. And since it's greater than or equal to, that flat thing right there gives us a flat bracket. It includes the value of 1. And so now when we write our interval, you read it from left to right, so it's from 1 to infinity.